What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. So I've got a blue, navy blue and white Jordan box. I'm not going to talk about the box too long. Just going to get straight into what the label says. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, style code DZ5485-401. Midnight navy, black white sail, UK 9.5. If you want to read the rest, just pause now. If you don't, let's carry on talking about the shoe. So we've got midnight navy Jordan 1 high. Let's do it that way because I prefer that way. So navy Jordans, I don't really see come about much, or much less than, you know, black and red, white and red, etc. So last pair I had was actually a pair of fives, the Hornet 5s, which is years and years and years ago. I won't bore everyone with that story. If you want to Google, just pause now, Google it, and then come back. But yeah, the bottom we've got that navy blue sole, nice and clean. Midsole is that sail color, which is kind of like an aged look. It's not exactly white. A lot of people are not happy with that. I like it, to be honest, so I can't really say anything. I'm not sure why they don't like it. People may want the midsole to age itself, but I like it how it is. Then we've got navy leather again with the wings logo, black leather, more black leather. Then on this panel, nice big panel of white leather, that extra long swoosh, which is longer than usual on a Jordan, of course. The eye stay and the eyelet, etc., is all that navy blue. And then around the toe box, again, we've got that navy blue, and the same exact on that side. Toe box, we've got plain white laces. This pair just came with a black pair of laces. I don't know how they look with the white laces. I probably wouldn't do that. And then the tongue is obviously white with the navy blue midnight navy Nike Air. On the inside, we've got Nike Air on the insole, and the insole is white with navy blue stamp. And then the inside, of course, the collar inside is all black. I like the shoe, I like the collar blocking, I'll be honest, I like everything about it. There was another pair that came out just after this, which I thought was very similar. I haven't really been buying Jordans like that, I'll be completely honest. But when I find trainers like this or sneakers like this at a good, cheap, below retail price, I have to grab a pair, especially when it's navy blue, because I don't think I have any navy blue trainers or sneakers in my collection. And sometimes you need a navy blue pair just to drop with some nice blue jeans, etc. Contrast even with black jeans, however you want to do it, but you know, it's a good shoe. I really do like this pair. I love the midsole with the aged look. People might hate it, I like it. But yeah, so I don't really have too much more to say about this shoe, this sneaker, whatever you want to call it, apart from I think they're really nice. Probably very late to review them, probably not going to get much views on this, but who cares, there's no rules. Let me know what you think about the sneaker. Let me know if you've bought them, let me know if you like them, let me know if you hate them, let me know if you rate them. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.